Me mama nyina akwa be asenhia. But the engineer di bronyo. I hope say wabo aho. Emma ubronya nyoma nyina wo kekesi ni kama so enti no na de di kan me da mu nyina ase. Sanya mu kura me na mu suso me mo mani so bebre. Na mo na ne da di kan wo hwe me a. Bomodi ansa wo hwe mko bu subscribe no aba nso a e ma wakwa abatina. Wa ho ye na enye edumembo na ma enye kama. Ene near me no ba beche a breadcrumbs awa we wofi a simple recipe by a recipe a uhia na ne edidi so beba no o de beye e bi wono mo a na wo pe breadcrumbs aya de kaka ofi nso na bia woni bi wo hono mo ntiji wakonya se ne ameka no na me fa breadcrumbs e ntisha so enti near me wo ha say se dem di kaka e brodo so am brodo ye nyina dodo na ye brodo ofi so am na yemi hu ni se brodo no ebu aniti no ni anade woto no ni ana so se uto brodo na de da wa na hu ni ofenye no wato agu se the original so ma untungo so wa brodo a me wo ha se ma me fencho so aye brodo ya ye dia so size bia thickness bia wo bia e kama enti so ahwa me brodo eni so na me de ahye oven mu for 1 hour me de 200 degrees inti no mane mbro 100 if so go ane bro abon se behye inti won se ne I try abi bua tie sound no so am se ne tie wa woni oven anu ane se ododo no beje go bi so wo Ghana ana so se wo amanane a wo de ejegu wo fa ayi muslim cloth eto so anu ade da ho na wo se be dry out but we oven mu dia 1 hour no na chese a dry fire nienti a emfe more than 100 is a recipe bi o ha pese breadcrumbs ni efita e bi o ha so apel se eni edunka ti e na me no ma be na dia ba ko abenya ye either se wo grinder and now to say blender e okay uni blender and now say grinder and one say wo fa grater na which na wa dia me ba be wa enisa enti se dia me ba be nyina ne say ni be bubu mu ebu ha say so wo fa brodo na wa bubu na ebu o grinder the first one na my enemy so to me get the akanina na fe de yato aso they say one send me crumbs here. I wish I was say breadcrumbs you want send here. Tie sound no. So the muawo inti say the mba be ni say me di bi ba be fasif no mo na eno no e be for different recipe me person no near very fine in ni nkete. Easy cra so they say we real few breadcrumbs and now so ape brodo no atoto na wo sen cra nti brodo ya na me gu so asise bigumi so if you some pese ebi mu eni soso na ebi nso ye enketoa na wa yin say ya nti hwesa ne aye na di go asi ente se me sone so no dia aka ni wa ho dia na me kan timi hwie no agu asi ente se wa ho sane aye wa ho sane we are very fine so person ete and I shall win so because recipe go have me pese eni ni be yanketo abebre nti ne se de me nyina ne se me san bie so na me de akɔhye oven ni e pese de ani susa no e mu wo pa because other recipe bi wo ha e mu wo na eno na boa me for some recipes no to ye me say and to say my ni say we ma so me oven no asan dia 220 so na me dia she mama aye golden brown na fi abeka ho ansem breadcrumbs here. Aye, come on. So, okay. Say, yeah, my pen golden and cassa. To wait there, Uncle Tower shop or one cassa homemade one way. Ubroda say, Utumbrodon so a big car and tungu. Naturally, say, why a day, would your breadcrumbs come on? Preservatives be any one way. You know what can with this one and I do fine. To me, my mother kakra, na for you didn't come. I was your phone to say, breadcrumbs na come and say. There's a knock on. I come out joke there so more. So, Tibo Modia so be manager can I tear sound tea. So, and I can win so. So I know small, but because I'm here 100 minutes, so into where no me the share no, it be 15 minutes, so I'm winning come, but many color we are. Sabi am the recipe ni buy now the trebi. Tibo modnia come and me for containers me the bacon. Now what store me come. And they say there me and say for airtight container be our na the gun so to me dear. Me defeat the name so soon. Here do me contain now in camera. It's a bush for your breadcrumbs in I come here so I'm saying we say nine and a white one. Now I told late. Now wait here, me quite care and I'm copy you into our baby the one into no catastrophe. Oh, come on here. Oh, let come on. My cat. So, next I'm from a beer and comb. Once a silver one, I'm not in a mammy pet dishes away. So, who are bet with the ashy freezer, who bet with the ashy frame, who bet with the ashy oven. And I was 5 years dry home, so I come. This will grow more. Hey, now I can't have me come. Now I come, now I corner. Nti we dey page on they say who fear nyoma bi wo hono ma untu ndu keke o se wa wo hwe nyoma wo cupboard ndi obetumi dey aye product akeka ne ade untu egu batu beti sika so e dey akoto breadcrumbs abe other recipes nti bo modia say we leftovers no e bi wo hono ma obetumi dey bi fufu so wonim dey ode be ya we dey abeja me comment ni every day obetumi dey aye nti me di nyame jaw e wo baby a wo bia na me da mu nyina nso ase e wo supporter mo de my channel we na afi nso no so subscribe to this channel but mo de subscribe e free na for notification bell net so na nso so subscribe and our notification name is affect so if you say you wouldn't want to miss Vlogmas 2018. I love you, God bless you, and don't forget to like the video, share and leave